I'm live. Let me see. What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? So, I wanted to give y'all some perspective. I know it's a lot of things that go on out here, but I want to show y'all something. So, I'm on the corner of Rogge and Manor Road. This is the corner of Manor Road and Rogge. So a lot of people be like, well, do y'all know any farmers? We're looking for black farmers. Well, it's a black farmer on the corner of Manor and Rogge. Y'all want to buy the block. Help me buy the block. Right now, I farm on the back quarter acre of this 2-acre property. And so if you know where I'm at, we in the street. If you know where I'm at and you from Austin, then you know this used to be the old Miss Bird's Bread, Rogge, and Manor. So behind this fence is your local black farmer. So imagine this house right here could be ours, could be mine, for your local farmer. All of this property right here, we gonna dig it up. Peach trees, fruit trees, rows of vegetables. Peace to the pitch. I'm Farmer Nancy, your favorite farmer. I'm a service-disabled United States Navy veteran, and I own and operate Dobbin Cobb Garden Farm. We're the only black farm here in Austin, Texas, and our goal is to grow. Jesus, I can't live like this. So we had a storm.
Hi Nancy, this is Angle from Republic. Love what you're doing. Could you share a little bit more about your traction to date, what kind of produce you're growing, and then what specifically you'd use that $25K for? Thanks so much.
Hi Angle. So in the last year, I've taken 3 backyard gardens that I manage and basically upscaled them to an urban farm. From there, we have been fully focused on developing the land and getting it ready for full harvest. Now here on my Farmer Nancy shit. You got it, baby? All right. I don't know.
I'm using all of mine. Look at my ring.
Oh, it's going down over there. Oh. What up? And of course, these are our favorite growing cherry tomatoes. Good morning, convo. So guess what, y'all? It's a skunk in my coop. Yep, that's right. A skunk tried to get my chickens. Not one night, but 3 nights in a row. Now, Babe battled with the skunk the other night. I woke up out my sleep and he was just standing there with a big ass broom. And I was like, boy, what is you doing? He was like, it's a skunk trying to get the chickens. And it's just content. It's just good, valuable content for the people. It's information. It's valuable information that they are seeking. They go to Google and they type up healthy options. Then my little SEO writer mind just go to putting in keywords and stuff on the inside of articles that say follow a local farmer. Yeah.
I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan on. I know I'm about to blow, when you done. They try to take my floor, I take their ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin blocks, turn you to a dancer. I see
that I'm a farmer and I always have fresh veggies. I also believe in learning how to make survival foods. In case of a catastrophe, what is you gonna eat? Okay, let's say you just happen to have some veggies and it's the apocalypse and you grab your refrigerator full of veggies that's just kind of in there. Along with them veggies, I hoped you grabbed them beans that was sitting up off in that pantry for about 6 months and just drop them in the pot. Just like, see that?
Yeah.
Trying to tell y'all, because if not, everybody gonna be hungry. Well, now what do you want?
Today, this day, we have to sell my little brother because he keeps messing up my mommy's blind.
He keep messing with my blinds, so we gotta sell him.
Yep, that's why we gotta sell my little brother.
You see that? Everybody ain't gonna make it in the apocalypse. Some of them gonna get sold, and some of them just ain't gonna make it to the bunker in time. You got 20 minutes to make it to the bunker. You don't make it to the bunker in 20 minutes, you're gonna be popped. Boston wanna sell you.
No. Me want to sell him.
Been out here grinding.
Welcome to our...
What up, what up, what up? It's your girl, Farmer Nancy, and guess what today is? That's right. It is my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's Taco Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. All aboard the Farmer Nancy train. Hey, you're using.
No, 1 stick of gum for 2.
It has words in there.
Yes. Look.
What up, what up? It is your girl, Nancy Farmer Nancy, and we in this thing.
Me, Reagan, we're supposed to do something savage. Look at this savage. See this? Look at this savage.
Mom is a savage. You can let him. Look at this savage Nancy. All right.
We got wood on the floor, paper, lots of the bed paper. Look at all this stuff.
Queen bee, want no smoke with me. Then turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. My whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat. She's so bougie, on appetite.
I'm a savage, attitude nasty. Talk big shit, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm ratchet. Haters kept my name in their mouth, now they gagging. Bougie.